Welcome to Beautyistic, where we dive into the details of products that promise to transform your beauty routine. Today, we're tackling a much talked about product in the skincare world, the StriVectin Advanced Retinol Multi-Correct Eye Cream. Aimed at reducing deep wrinkles and restoring firmness, this eye cream has some hefty claims, so let's see if it really lives up to the hype. First off, this cream is designed to target the delicate skin around the eyes, addressing signs of aging like deep wrinkles, fine lines, and lack of elasticity. It combines two powerhouse ingredients, retinol and vitamin B3, both of which are revered in skincare circles for their proven anti-aging benefits. The formula comes in a 15-milliliter jar, which, while not massive, is a standard size for eye creams. Now let's talk about how it fits into your routine. Incorporating this eye cream into your skincare regimen is simple. The texture is creamy, but not too thick, meaning it spreads easily across the skin without feeling greasy. It absorbs quickly and leaves a smooth, soft finish, making it perfect for layering under makeup. I applied it both morning and night, as recommended, and noticed that a little goes a long way, so this jar should last a decent amount of time. When it comes to real-world performance, I've been testing this out for a few weeks now, and here's my breakdown. The retinol in the formula delivers that gentle exfoliation I expect from this ingredient, while the vitamin B3 seems to work on brightening up the skin around my eyes. However, retinol can sometimes cause irritation, especially around the delicate eye area. I did experience a slight sensitivity at first, so I recommend starting slowly and gradually increasing use, especially if you're new to retinol-based products. But here's the good news. After a few weeks of use, I did start seeing improvements in the firmness and elasticity around my eyes. While the deep wrinkles didn't vanish completely, because let's be real, no product can work that fast, I noticed the skin felt tighter and more toned. Fine lines seemed less noticeable, and overall, the area appeared more refreshed. If you're looking for an eye cream that does more than just hydrate, this could be a strong contender. Now let's get into the pros and cons. Pros: effective anti-aging ingredients. Retinol is a go-to for targeting wrinkles, and vitamin B3 is great for brightening and improving skin texture. Lightweight and non-greasy. It absorbs easily into the skin, which is key for an eye cream. Visible results over time. While not instant, I did see noticeable improvement in firmness and texture after consistent use. Cons: potential for sensitivity. If you're new to retinol, the skin around the eyes might be a bit sensitive initially. Price point: at around $65 for 15 millimeters, this product is on the higher end for eye creams, so it's definitely an investment. As for value for money, StriVectin is a premium brand, and it's evident in the formulation. The ingredients, particularly the combination of retinol and vitamin B3, are backed by solid science, and they're designed to tackle deep wrinkles and improve elasticity. While the price tag is a bit steep, it's important to consider that the eye area is particularly delicate, and investing in high-quality formulations like this one can be worthwhile if you're committed to an anti-aging regimen. When it comes to alternatives, there are other eye creams out there with similar ingredients. CeraVe's Eye Repair Cream, for example, offers a more budget-friendly option with a similar mix of hydrating ingredients. However, if you're looking for a retinol-powered product with a track record of serious anti-aging results, StriVectin stands out. In terms of build quality, the packaging is simple but effective. The jar is small, which makes it easy to store and travel with, but it's also a bit prone to contamination if you're not careful with your application. That's the downside of jar packaging, but it's a minor issue if you're using a clean finger or spatula to apply the cream. As for customer service, I didn't have any direct interactions with StriVectin, but their reputation in the skincare community is strong. They're known for good customer support, so if you ever have any issues with a product, you can expect them to be responsive. To wrap up, StriVectin's Advanced Retinol Multi-Correct Eye Cream is a solid choice for anyone looking to tackle deep wrinkles and improve the elasticity of the delicate skin around the eyes. While it's not the cheapest option out there, the quality of the ingredients and the results over time make it worth considering, especially if you're serious about anti-aging skincare. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can discover this video. Your support really helps us keep creating honest, in-depth reviews like this one. Thanks so much for tuning in to Beautyistic. If you've tried this eye cream, drop a comment below and let me know your thoughts. I'd love to hear about your experiences. And as always, stay beautiful, inside and out.